Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to be using this new product by QuickKat. It's these eyeliner strips to get the perfect winged eyeliner. And then it comes with this pen already, and then it comes with these little cheat sheets. There's 32 strips, 16 for the left and then 16 on the right. Here's the pen right here. It's just like a felt tip eyeliner pen. And on each of these cheat sheets, it tells you which eye to use it on. So either the right eye or the left eye. And then it comes with an instruction sheet here, and then you also have some quick instructions on the back of the packaging. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the left side. As you can see here, there's numbers 1 through 4, and on the instructions it tells you to peel off first part 1, and then draw in part 2, then peel off part 3, and then line up where it says number 4 to the outside part of your eye where you want the wing to end, right there. It's going to be different for everyone, so you just got to line it up perfectly. I already have a mirror in front of me, and I'm going to go ahead and start with the left side. So again, you want to peel off where it says number 1, which is the very far edge. And then it says that the sticky side is going to be the one that you want to keep. So that blue side right there, you just want to throw away. There's the sticky side. You can't really see the eyeliner wing right here because it's very, very, very sheer. But you want to place that on top of the scratch pad. Now the scratch pad is just a rectangular area on the instructions, but basically you can use any piece of paper or a napkin or a tissue. So now I'm going to go ahead and draw in area number 2, which is the actual wing liner, and you're going to use that pen to fill it in. As you can see where the edges are, you can go outside of the edges because you're going to pull off the rest of the strip, and it's only going to have that wing that you just drew in. So here I'm peeling off where it says number 3, and you'll see that number 2 is still on there because that's where you're going to stick it onto your eye. So here I'm going to line up where it would say number 4 to the outside of my eye and then stick it on, and then you want to rub it down to try and transfer the ink over to your eye. And it's weird because everyone's eyes are going to be rounded. Whether it's really rounded or slightly rounded, everyone's eyes are rounded, and this sheet is straight. It's a rectangle. So it was really hard to try and keep my eye open and make sure that it was flat onto my eyelid. So here I'm just rubbing it down as much as I can to make sure it transfers. And then once I pull it off, I honestly don't know what happened, but I tried on the right side, and so I think I just waited too long on that first part. So I already did it on the right side, and I'm telling you, it took me one try on the right hand side because when I wasn't filming, I was able to just do it really fast. It's not perfect, but it says in the instructions that you can fill it in. So I'm going to use my ink liner. This is my tattoo liner by Kat Von D. I love this stuff, and I'm just going to fill in where it would complete the entire wing. It's kind of like a stencil, but the ink actually transfers onto your skin. And then I didn't use, it doesn't say to use the eyeliner pen that comes with the kit on your eye. I don't know if you can, I don't know if it's a good idea. You might want to save the pen for the other strips. So using an eyeliner that you already have, gel liner, whatever it is you have in your makeup collection, you want to use that. Now this is a very bold wing. I don't know if they have different styles, but this is the one that they had only on their site. So it's a very, very bold wing. But once you fill it in, it actually looks really good. So now I'm going to go back onto the left eye, and I'm going to go ahead and do this very quickly and show you guys each step, but very fast. I want to make sure that the ink doesn't dry by the time I put it on my eye. So here I am working fast, pressing it down. Really try and rub it in, you guys. And I had no luck. Yeah. So again, here I go again. Trying it, rubbing it down, going as fast as I can, praying, and fail. Gosh. All right, doing it again. Yes, finally got it. Now, as you can see, I didn't line it up perfectly like my other eye. I mean, it's perfect in its own way. However, it doesn't really match the other side, but I didn't want to change it. I guess with these eye strips, you can definitely make it longer or shorter or thicker. So I'm not even gonna mess with it. It took me so long to try and get this, so I'm just gonna keep it, throw on some makeup and see if you can even tell. But it looks really good. Like I said, it's a very bold wing. Here I am with all my makeup and lashes, and it looks pretty darn good when you have full lashes on. This side I actually like better than the other side because I don't usually wear like a really bold wing, but I love how it looks. The other side is very, very long, very dramatic, but still pretty. So if you want help to get this really great winged liner, if you're not gonna wear like this really bold of an eyeliner, maybe this product isn't for you, or maybe there's a way that you can shorten the wing. But if you love wing liner and you want to rock it this big and you just need a little bit of help, this is pretty good. You have to work really fast, but I mean, you see the results, they look pretty good. Tell me what you guys think down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.